Welcome back to Construction Simulator in Europe. We are doing this biogas level in the the environmental campaign area. So under campaign, we're in this renewable energy section, and we're working on the biogas plant. We've got to do a little bit of materials delivery, and then some concreting and some walls, and then a whole lot of craning. So hopefully we can finish this today. We are at 28% only, but high hopes that we can actually get that done. Let's jump across to the crane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff if you want to see this content in the future. Let's try and work out where we are. Why can't there we go. Why can't I? There it goes. It wouldn't go backwards and forwards. I don't know what the deal was. So we need some bricks, metal, and ceiling components. We delivered all these things to the site. The box is a little bit inconvenient about where it is. Kind of wishing I actually had brought them on a trailer so we can park closer to each of the buildings, but it is what it is, I guess. And I think we have to get some prefab walls too, so we'll have to jump in the truck and go over to the to that building and pick them up. So that, and then we need ceiling components I'll grab next, which is the big grey ones. Yeah, this production dropping area is really close to the crane, so it's not the most usable or easy swing spot. Yeah, it's like we have to go all the way in, then all the way out, and also do a close to a 180. So not the most easy thing to do. I need to kind of change the camera angle so we can see what we're doing. There we go, that's better. Well, I thought that was better. And I think that thing right next to that is the metal sheets. So I assume we're going to have to concrete the ceiling. We've got the concrete mixer still there, so that shouldn't be too laborious. Yeah, there's only 4 things after this. Doesn't look like there's much materials assigned to the actual biogas. I don't know, called tubs, cylinders, whatever you call it. I think it might be prefab stuff, maybe. Alright, that's that bit done. Let's, I can't remember what trucks we have in this world. Everything's in the factory. So let's get out, I'm going to get out one with a crane on it, just in case that matters. And we'll get a trailer. We'll just get the one with the sides, I think. We'll hook this up, fast travel across to the prefab unit place. That I just noticed that wall there, and the way that the kind of like the building's up against the rock face there reminds me of the first garage in SnowRunner. got a very SnowRunner vibe when it comes to the trees. And yeah, there's the very first garage you have in SnowRunner. Actually, kind of looks like that. And there's a road. Yeah, like in SnowRunner, it goes out here, then out to the right, and then up the hill. Yeah, interesting. So prefab's way over on the other side of town. Bit of fast travel action. And we'll park this in the bays. It says 8 elements, so I'm guessing 2 frames with 4 in each, maybe? That's my guess as to what we'll be buying. Yeah, 2 frames. And 2. Oh, they're all concretey. Okay. So it's a fast travel across to the site, which I forget. There it is, over here. Were they actually concrete? They are concrete. So I don't think we've ever had a concrete prefab before. I mean, definitely not in Europe, but I don't remember doing it in the US map either. So okay. Gonna actually crane these off of here. So the small ones look like they are predominantly going to go maybe at the end. And this one's like doors and stuff that can go at the back, I think. Yeah, I like to take them off the truck and get them a little bit closer to the site. We'll turn this around so maybe the orientation will help us. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to cheat and jump across the truck so I have to walk as far. No, don't do that. Through there. There we go. So unlock the frame so we get access to the individual pieces. I think walking around made me think about our run speed. I think we may have a skill point to spend. We do. So let's start. Do we want to? I don't really care about running speed, so let's start doing the bottom 2 here, and we'll just go, one on each. But yeah, we're nearly maxed out and all that stuff. So let's do some craning. That's already worked out for us right there. I don't know if I'd be craning against a situation where there's a cylinder in the way. Interesting use of prefab concrete. I can see it happening. This probably goes on the right. Since we're here, we'll pick up the local one. I like to make it so that I crane. When I'm dropping things off, like I knew I'd have to come back for this frame here, so I might as well pick up something on the way. Hope that makes sense. Do a micro optimization. Risky is the traveling salesman's problem, which is not really answerable of what's the most efficient way of doing things. Spy music starts. Intrigue. Yeah, I mentioned SnowRunner. I haven't played SnowRunner in a while. I played the first, obviously the game at the start, and then I bought the, I think, year 1 and year 2 pass. but I haven't got back to it. I think it's one of those games that you really want to play multiplayer, because going out as a single player, it's very easy to get stuck. But if you have a second player, you can kind of get out of problems. And I was playing it multiplayer. When I first started playing it, I was predominantly playing it multiplayer, and then the person I was playing with, my brother, lost interest. So yeah, I haven't really got back to it. But it'd be interesting. I wouldn't mind seeing how it's evolved with the new year packs. I saw, for me today, I saw that in Farming Simulator, the free Massey Ferguson extra DLC dropped a whole lot of new tractors, so I'm looking forward to looking at that. I have a couple of save games where I've got a lot of money, so I can easily afford to buy one. So I might check that out in my own personal time. I don't know what the schedule is for construction sims drops as part of the year pass. I know we've got the JCB drop, and there's a map coming. I think the map is maybe the last thing they're delivering. But I am looking forward to maybe getting some new equipment. It's a very robust building. I'm assuming once we finish this lift, that pile's going to turn into a pile of ceiling elements, where they'll big flat things that we'll have to crane on top. Just my guess. Alright, so I'm going to jump across to the truck so I'm closer. Let's see what this does. Okay, and lay the bricks. So they're on the inside. Actually, we'll get rid of this frame. Is it going to be a brick-based floor? Ah, okay. Brick-based building, okay. Get some crane pieces going here. This shouldn't take too long at all. Which way's the orientation? I cannot tell which way the orientation is. Okay. Left or right? Oh, that was terrible. And lucky number 3. Oh, I barely passed. I barely had enough height there. Not my finest job. Alright, so let's jump into here. That's definitely fine where it is. Open up the back. Get some height. Get the truck in here. How empty are we? Yeah, we're empty enough that I'll refill. This shouldn't take too long at all. I think this part of the building is going to be done pretty damn soon. Yeah, having the viscosity skills definitely helps with this type of thing. It definitely speeds up the operation. I don't know if it makes it come out faster or wider. I think it might make a bigger circle, I think is what it is doing. We're at 55%. $76. I'm just going around the outside kind of accurately. Then I'm going to YOLO through the middle. And 100%. Alright, that's that done. So let's jump out, get rid of that last frame that we left at the far end. And I think this part of the building is going to be complete. Pour more wool. Okay, this might be hopefully the truck's going to be in the right place. Can we? I think we'll be able to reach. This is going to use a lot of concrete, I'm guessing. I'm wondering if I should put the dozer and the excavator away. If I leave them out, I can burn down their maintenance, and that way, weirdly, we can get to a maintenance requirement at a service station faster. So maybe actually I don't want them to be fixed. How worn down are they? So the dozer's not worn down at all, so let's put that away. The excavator has got a bit of wear on it, so we'll keep that out, and that way we can use it towards our quota for fixing things, so that we can upgrade our company. I think we need about another 15 visits, 20 visits to a gas station to get the required number of fixes. That sign has to be faster. This just stays there for too long. And that's one done. I think from a reach point of view we're going to be okay. I think we can get all the way around this guy. Yeah, I think we've been quite lucky with, or fortuitous, with the way that the pump has been able to reach all the property. I've definitely done some jobs where you feel like all you're doing is repositioning rather than pouring concrete. I think we're going to have to get one more concrete truck load at least here. I'd be very surprised if we can do this whole thing on what we've got left. %. I love the flow dynamics in this game. I think the way that the dirt moves and everything, it's really good. Oh, I don't know how close I can get. Hopefully we can rely on that flow. I'm using an Xbox controller here. Has anybody else used anything but an Xbox controller to play this game? Oh, I don't think I can get that close. Yeah, I was just saying how lucky we were being, and I don't think we are going to be that lucky. Why can't I lift? I swear there's positions you can get into when you unfold it that you can't get back to. Yeah, this position right here. Once you get into this position, you can't get back to it. Well, I don't know how to get back to it. Oh, did I not? Oh, yes it is. That's pour. Was that pouring? No. Pouring's to the, yeah, pouring's to the right. Is it? Did I second guess myself? Yeah, pouring's to the right. Oh, I see why. The because I pressed reset, the door at the back is stuck. Alright. Yeah, that's one of the mechanics that they need to fix. The whole door thing needs to be looked at. Yeah, once you, as I was saying, positioning wise, once you get to this, once the arm at the end goes from being horizontal like it is, sorry, vertical like it is now, you can't get it back down there again. Alright, what's next? Yeah, 54%. I have no idea how fast this is going to go. Oh, that is a lot of craning. Alright, let's get started because that's going to take a while. I think I might start from the far end first, that way we're not hitting ourselves. So 20 and 20, okay, 40 elements. So maybe 30 seconds each. Wow, that's 20 minutes of craning? Really? Oh, okay, it's 23-ish minutes into it. Let's see if we can get this done in. Let's make the goal 15. I'm surprised we didn't have to truck these in, because they could have put all those on a frame. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about rotation in this one. This is going to get a little bit repetitive pretty fast. That's really low to the ground. Okay, that's 5 out of 40, so what's that, an 8th? Oh, that's what, maybe it won't be too bad. Maybe not too repetitive. We are making good progress. Whoops, okay. So now I'm going to have to navigate around that. What happened to the music? Game must have thought, you know. Not now. Yeah, it's strange there's no music for a period of the game. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more repetitive crane action. Oh, that's a quarter of the way there. I was like, oh, I forgot what time we started. I think it's maybe 3 minutes for a quarter. Well, at least the distance we're traveling isn't overly onerous. At least we don't have to rotate the boom too much. What are we up to? 12 have been done. I'm glad we don't have to rotate these. That would definitely slow down the whole process. I'm gonna just put this one to the right, I think. Oh, steady. Alright, it's another quarter of this one done. Five to go. Four to go. Actually, these last ones are feeling, definitely feels faster because it's not craning as far. Those first ones were about twice the distance, so definitely felt, or was slower. It's weird, this kind of craning, not as interested in, but if I'm craning like the frame for a house, like the roof structure or something, I love doing that. Yeah, realistically, it's not actually that much different. Fine. And then lucky number 20. Yeah, I'm not sure where the, I know there's like craning involved, but, oh, that's done. Yeah, I'm not sure where the other 44% of this mission's going to go to. Zoom out a bit. Right, so we're going to be swinging. Alright, we have to boom left and right a lot more now. I might just reset the clock soon. The light's a bit low on the horizon. Okay, I thought I was going to hit that. Yeah, jump out and change the time. I'm just going to go straight to noon so we get some decent light for the day. Yeah, I think I might fill in this back corner first. These ones. And then we'll kind of work left and right all the way around, all around to the front like before, but a little bit more focused on the left hand side this time first. Then make sure to clear that center bit. We're up to about 7 minutes of craning so far. It's not too bad. I'm just debating whether to take it around the left or the right of the gap. I'll go through the middle, I think. Yeah, I'm going to work on the left hand side now. I'm going to go around the far side of the big pillar in the middle. So I need to boom out before I boom in. Oh, the whole pile got dragged then. I might have to move that cement mixer. Yeah, you can see the shadow of the crane head just having to whip around so much. Alright, that truck is in the way. That was a bit of a YOLO. Definitely let that swing a lot more than I probably should have. Alright, lucky number 10, 3/4 of the way through. And I'll put this one on the right hand side this time. We'll kind of reserve the left pile for those kind of left ones, and we'll use this right pile for the right ones. Oh, that pile. Look at that. You see that float away? Interesting little physics. It seems it stops because it hit the truck. Yeah, the physics in these games are fascinating. And how far you model the existence of these 3D objects in space, how much you want to apply physics to it. Do they have weight? Do you want them to have motion? How do you do things like stop this routing point errors in the computer causing jitter? Because when it comes to non-integer numbers, computers are not great. Everything's an approximation, so and it's very easy for errors on errors to creep in. Come on, there we go. Alright. Not too bad. I think we're at about 8 minutes? 9 minutes? I can't remember if it was 23 or 27. It must have been 23 minutes in when we started. So we're at 12. Alright, yeah, we can bust out a 15-minute ETA. I know I scanned through the contract, but I don't remember what the last phases were. I think there's some brick walls or something, but I think we may have done that in the building. I don't know what major infrastructure's left. Maybe some. There's a couple of deliverables on the pad still. So maybe a hut or something that we haven't excavated for yet. Well, we'll find out pretty soon, I guess. Two to go. Yeah, that's about the maximum I want to do of a repetitive crane lift. Yeah, about 15 minutes is my kind of like my limit. You can see how I'm kind of yellowing it right now, and like in real life, this things would be smashed and cracked with the way I'm throwing them around. I'm going to zoom out so we can see the animation. Oh, we have to jump out and do something, okay. Yeah, because there's a couple of things left over in the bay over here. So... that's one of them. I assume there's going to be another pile, yep. I assume we're going to do this twice, once for each dome. Excavate, okay. I was not predicting that. We didn't get a skill point yet. I think it's wise to do the left-hand one first, down in between the two domes. It's going to actually go past and then line up better, then come back. Where am I going to put the dirt? That is the question for the day. So it is not inconsequentially deep. Let's get this onto site. I might just back it next to it. Hopefully I can squeeze through here. Oh, that's terrible backing. I should have backed in from the road. Yeah, we should be able to do that, I think. It's a bit close, but it's doable. Oops, that wasn't right. I have to really make sure I dump locally. I assume that's what they want us to do. Yeah. So let's move this out of the way. Yeah, but the pumpkin fields there definitely remind me of SnowRunner a bit. All right, let's empty this out. Yep. I probably shouldn't be doing this at a 45-degree angle. Oh. Do I want to do this at a 45-degree angle? Just a little bit further forward so we're not fighting it. I'm debating what the best way of doing this is. I really want to be going along the trench. Or at least close, semi-close to it. Like at least be at like 15 degrees to it or something. Let's put this here. We'll probably track. Do I want to go? We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I'll go track forward. I'll get this corner done, this cross, and then we'll track forward, I think. Yeah, I'm kind of regretting that I went a little bit across that cross more than I wanted to. Actually, I will... Do I want to do it this way? Yeah, I'll do it this way. I was debating about whether I wanted to start on the left-hand side of that cross section and move left to right. Yeah, sorry I'm a bit quiet here. I'm just trying to really concentrate, try to understand the best way of doing this. We're at 47%, so we are making progress. My idea is to work on areas where I can meet it at 90 degrees. I probably should have tracked backwards over that. Yeah, I think I may have messed that up. I probably should have done it from right to left rather than left to right. Let's get this, we'll go for morning, see how it goes. I was going to go high noon, but bit of HDR action on the very bright. Alright, so let's so we can, my plan is to scoop horizontally or across the hole and then boom forward into the truck. Yeah, that's working out okay. It's quite, you have to do quite a precise boom, but that's alright. Have a look at that, see how it's looking. So yeah, scoop in the middle, and that should do it. A rare double scoop. One quick look. Alright, we'll do a quick clean up of the corner. And we'll clean up here. that will do for that area. We'll clean up here as well since we can see it. Alright, so track backwards. We'll get the truck across. So we kind of want it here for now because we'll get that middle bit done. Just do a lot of twisting. Yeah, I'm doing way too much sticking here. Oh well. Yeah, well and truly outside the boundaries of what's needed. The game will fix it. Everything will be fine. It will flatten it all out for us. It's like we've dug out this entire site, really. That truck's full, but we'll give it one more careful load around here. Alright, so let's maneuver this and we'll do a trench long. Way more efficient. Get the truck. Where do I want the truck? So I want the truck. I want the truck with its back over here. Alright, let's finish this off. Get a decent angle. There we go. We're at 77%, so I think our extra due diligence at the end here has meant it so that we won't have to do that much as we do this. Yeah, it's well and truly full. 86%. We'll get this done and then we'll call it a day and finish this the next episode. 94. We're barely going to need to turn the corner. $95. So we can go around the corner a bit here. $99 and one big scoop, 100. There we go. Get out of the way. So because this truck has poor maintenance, I'm going to do a maintenance run on it now. Because if I let it go down further, it still only counts as one update. So I'd rather, as soon as it gets into, if I look at the, see how it's orange here? And the maintenance icon's turned on. I might as well, as soon as I see that, we should do a maintenance. And take the advantage of the situation. So that, and yeah, so we'll keep everything else out. So where are we at? We're at 57 minutes. How much do we have left in this contract? Should I just make this a long episode? Excavate. Oh, 200 grand worth of excavation. No. We are done. We will finish off putting in all these pipes next time. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff. And yeah, lots of pipe action and then excavation action next time. As always, thanks for watching.